Hi, so in today's video we're going to be learning how to make easy DIY bouquets at home. Face mask. So I have got quite a lot of them. I'm using some chocolates by Ghirardelli. Then there are some pictures that I've kind of got printed, and I'll be using 2 beer bottles. It's a new brand in the market. Do try it out. It's got some really nice lager beer. So first is the box in itself. This is a nice MDF box that I'll be using. Then you need thermocol. This is a commercial thermocol. I'm actually reusing these thermocol. Then you need these sticks. You can actually get these from the florist for 20 rupees or 25 rupees. If you buy it in bulk, they can even end up giving you for 10 to 12 rupees. You need skewers. You would be using it for a lot of tandoori dishes and everything. Right now we're going to use it in our bouquet. You can use any color of flowers that you want to. This is how my flowers look. So I'm giving it a color of red. I need a fat ribbon and a thin ribbon. Both are red. Since my theme is completely red, you need hay or cooler ki ghas as I call it. So any color. You need some red sequins and some silver sequins. Now comes the tools that you need for making this. Tools that I'll be using right now are from my toolkit, and I have done a complete video which showcases all the tools that you would be needing in all the tutorials. So right now from my toolkit, the tools that I would be needing are: you need your glue gun, glue sticks, a pair of scissors or thread cutter, double-sided foam tape. It's a foam tape. Very first thing that we're going to do is decorate these pictures. Let's get started. So basically what you do is you take your pictures and you take this sequence out of the back and start putting it on the edges. So this is how I like to decorate. You can always decorate it the way you want to decorate it. So I'm just going to quickly do it. This is how it looks. So I have finished all of these. The first one you saw, I finished every one of these. I'm gonna take my 1/4-inch ribbon. I'm gonna make bows out of it. Now this is a new bow that I'll be teaching you today. So let me show it to you. You do this and you keep holding it like that. And then you just cut it. Keep holding it and just take a little space while holding it only. This you have to end up making bows. Now the thing is, I am really used to making these bows, so I'm able to do it with both my hands, like holding one and doing it. You can even take support of your mouth, or else use another person's help while doing it. Then I'm just gonna trim the edges. Ta-da! This is a box that I got as an invite from the Brew Lab, and I'm kind of reusing it. And we remove it, and it becomes a nice place for me to make a bouquet. The first thing is I'm gonna put thermocol in it. Let's measure the thermocol. So I'm securing the whole thing with foam tape. Once you've reached the stage where nothing comes out, that's the time you know that everything is stuck and now we can actually move forward. We take our sticks and we measure how long do we want this. We'll take it from here I don't want my bouquet to be too long, so I'm just gonna cut it from here. After measuring my stick, I'm gonna cut rest of the sticks too in this size. Sticks would be used for the pictures that I have cut. Make sure everything is standing straight. This is how it ends up looking. So this is basically a wire frame where I'm going to place my pictures. See, that's my wire frame where I'm going to place my pictures. So let's start placing picture. Plugged in my glue gun and it's getting hot. While it's getting hot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly figure out the position of each picture where I want to place what. So I'm kind of making a grid of what placement should come where. My flask is something which is going to be a part of the decoration. So meanwhile it's getting hot, I'm just gonna cut these. I have to take the wire and cut it. Once you've cut it, you have to just fold it so that the flower does not come out. So you have to do this to the whole bunch. I'm going to quickly do is now this. Now let's start placing these. Placement is something that you have to learn with time, and you can learn once you start doing these bouquets. You know how exactly would you want to place. I'm going to place things randomly and then balance it out with flowers and other decor elements. This is how it ends up looking. Next thing is the pack. So what I'm going to do is this side the pack is a little lighter, and this side it's where the pack actual content is. So I'm going to start folding the lighter side of it. With sellotape. And then what I'm going to do is a ribbon. It's a very small drop. I'm going to put a very small drop and just overlap it. To take my thread cutter. I'm going to place it on top. So that's how one stick looks. You have to make all of the sticks. Get started. So I have completed my sticks. Now time to place them. What I've done is I've taken 3 longer sticks, and there's another stick which I've taken smaller, which I've already placed in the bouquet to see the height of my arrangement. I'm just gonna quickly show it to you. Now it's ready. I'm just gonna show you the holes. So I'm gonna fill the glass. Right now it's moving. So my beer bottle I plan to place it over here. Be clear. Check, does it? So it's not moving, so we are good to go. Decorated it, all you gotta do is add some hay over here. Now is just put this at places so that it does not look plain. The whole thing does not look plain. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Tune in next week as we learn something new. Bye.